Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about a very useful feature many users need: how to batch move projects to a specific folder. As your number of projects grows, organizing them properly can make search and collaboration much more efficient. Let's go through it step by step. First, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Personal Workspace from the drop-down menu. After entering, you can switch workspaces from the top bar. Please make sure you are in the personal workspace. Next, in the project list on the left side, select the target folder where you want to place your projects. Once selected, the project inside that folder will be displayed in the middle panel. Then click Batch Transfer at the top. The system will enter batch operation mode. Now select the project file you want to move. After making your selection, click Transfer. In the pop-up window, choose the destination folder to complete the move of multiple projects at once. This feature is especially useful for users who manage many projects and need better organization. Let's offer this tutorial on how to batch move projects to a specific folder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and follow. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.